So as content creators, we are always opting for better ways to create good quality content, just so that our viewers can get good viewing experience and of course always come back to watch our content. Echo mug, echo mug, echo mug, echo mug. I heard it in Mata's channel. She says when the plane passes and they are filming content, they will be shouting echo mug. When I'm posting my content, I like to put myself in the shoes of the viewer. I like to ask myself, if I was the one viewing this content, which improvement would I want to be made to this content to make it even more better? And for me, quality audio has always been that thing for me. I want to hear quality audio. I want to hear every word you are saying, okay? And as young, striving solo content creators, we know the hustle of getting good microphones. We would rather stick to our cheap budget microphones. But my problem here is, why would the microphone be adding extra bass to my voice? I sound originally like this. But why do I finish recording and I'm sounding as if 10 extra people is recording the thing with me? It's really a turn off for me. So I went the extra mile just to find out what to do to make sure that even if I'm using a cheap mic, it is going to come out looking crisp and clear, okay? And because I am a good girl, I do not gatekeep. I am surely going to share it with you. So if you've seen me before, if you know me and you are always coming back to watch my content, thank you so much. How far? How family? Hope you're good. Welcome. But if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Matthew, and in this channel, I talk about things that I wish I knew before starting YouTube. And sometimes I give editing tips. So, welcome. Just know that you are not randomly watching a YouTube video. You are supporting my dream, and I do not take it for granted, okay? So, make sure to stick around. I love to hug people, just so you know. So now, before I go for that, to tell you how I achieve this clear sound, I want to ask a question. I would like you to say in the comments, happened? What happened? Sorry, 7 hours later, but I'm still going to ask my question before we, you know, what mic are you currently using? Which mic will you recommend to a beginner? And what is your dream mic? For me, I'm currently using the K11 wireless mic for iPhone. 1 minute. I'm currently using this mic and I would recommend it to a beginner. But my dream mic is Holy Landlark M2. Hey God, this girl too like big thing. So let's just go ahead and show you how it works. So we are working with CapCut app. Simply inbox your video into the timeline. If you're not familiar with CapCut, I have a video where I explain the basics. So just be sure to check it out in the description box when you are done watching this video. So now just go ahead and impute your already recorded video into the timeline and make sure to make multiple splits just so that the videos can be splitted into small pieces. CapCut just introduced a feature called Enhance Voice. Go ahead and click on your footage, and after that, click on Enhance Voice. You give it a few seconds or minutes to load, and do that for the rest of the clip. It's as simple as that, no more jig. 7 hours later. So bye guys. Now that you know how to make quality audio, make sure not to leave this video without saying something nice. And I'll be waiting. If you're a beginner on YouTube and you're still curious, I would want you to watch this playlist over here. It's going to help you. See you in my next content. Bye.